Good afternoon, YouTubers. Chuck Berry had a song about a ding-a-ling. Today's video is ding-a-ling repair. I got this old brass bell, and I believe somebody retrofitted a aluminum handle on here. But I think I got it for $5.99 in tax, New York tax at the Goodwill store. And I think nobody bought it because it was loose. And the threads on this hook are wore out here. So I went to my hardware collection and I got a regular screw, and I put some extra washers on there to try and equalize the height. This looks like swing chain, you know, like a regular kid's swing set. They don't use that garbage anymore now because it pinches the kids' fingers. So I got a couple lock washers here, and I'm gonna, simple matter of screwing this back in. I did have to mess around with my vise and bend that chain so that it hangs straight in the bell. Bring out your dead. Bring out your dead. Hear ye, hear ye. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that thing. All right, I would rate that a success. And this, on a teacher's desk, this is heavy enough to put the hurt on a rowdy student real bad versus using your gun. And hear ye, hear ye. 2 months with no alcohol, people. Staying on the wagon. God bless the YouTubers. If you don't like that ding-a-ling, I got another one over here. Oh man, ring-a-ding-ding.